You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cut and sew a v-neck with band. This piece of fabric is 2.5 inches wide. I will fold it into two. The beauty of this design is to have your main fabric mixed with another color or a floral design. The next thing I will do is to locate the midpoint of this fabric and join together with my ruler. The depth of this neckline is 9 inches, but by the time I add this piece to it, I'm going to have it reduced to 7.5 inches. I would like to point out that you should ensure that the center of your neckline is placed directly on our previous marking. Then trace it out with your chalk like this. The next thing we will do is to go over to our sewing machine and sew directly on top of this new marking. After doing this, I'm going to trim out the excess, but we leave a little bit of seam allowance behind. You may go ahead and give it a notch, but this is entirely optional. Open up the seam allowance and place them together like this. Go ahead and give it a good press. This is what it looks like. I'm going to sew it, but before then I would like to secure it with pin. Apply a little more caution when you get to the middle. Before you can proceed, you will need to give it a notch. Then continue your sewing carefully. If you need more time at that center, please take all the time you need. This that we are going to do is called top stitching. So go ahead and top stitch your fabric. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm going to trim out the excess. A closer look at what we just did. Can you see how neat it is? This dress can be achieved using this method. Likewise, this and this. Thank you so much for watching, guys.